Hey guys, my name's Luca, and today I'm gonna show you Bluu Custom Market Umbrella. The canopy fabric and the umbrella frame you customized are packaged and shipped separately in 2 boxes. So make sure you got both of them before you start assembling your personalized patio umbrella. Okay guys, let's take out all the parts. Here we've got the canopy fabric, and in this box we have the pole and the frame that you customized. Okay guys, let's assemble the umbrella now. First, we're going to unscrew the cap. Then we're going to fit the main frame inside the canopy fabric. Don't forget a cap. And lastly, we are going to put it back. Now insert the ribs into the pockets. Now connect the 2 poles together. Okay guys, now we're gonna take what we've previously assembled. We are going to put the bottom pole into the base stand that is sold separately in our store. And we're going to tighten the base knob. And there we have it. Now it's fully secured and ready to use. Turn the crank clockwise to open the umbrella to its fully open position. Insert the pin in the top of the pole for extra security. To tilt the umbrella, just press the button right here and tilt it to your desired position. To put it back, press it again, and there you have it. And now, to close the umbrella, first remove the safety pin, and then turn the crank handle in the counterclockwise direction until it's fully closed. Don't forget to use the hook and loop strap to secure the umbrella when not in use and in extreme weather conditions. Looking for a replacement fabric after long-term use? You can always purchase one at bluupatio.com. Got a brilliant product idea? Let us bring your vision to life by creating the outdoor oasis you've always wanted. We are ready to hear from you.